welcome to the GamebrAINS video tutorials. In this video, we'll be discussing editing behavior trees. With the editor open, you can create a new tree using the New Tree option from the menu. Then we can create a new node by right-clicking on the root node and choosing the selector option. We can modify its properties in the left panel by selecting our new node in the tree view. In this case, we are going to change its name. Now we are going to add a new sequence node under the existing selector. We select the new sequence and change its name to something that describes this node's purpose. Now we are going to add a new condition as a child of the last node and change its name again. All leaf nodes require an additional parameter to specify the class that must be executed when this node is reached. This parameter is called operation. So we are going to set the name of the class for this leaf node. In this case, its class name is called isFleetFlying. Let us now add a new node as a child of this selector. Even though we have added a condition, we can change its type using the properties of the right panel. We're going to change it to an action. Now we are going to give it a proper name and specify the name for this leaf node. In this case, the operation value will be balance fleet. We can also add filters as a parent of an existing node. There are several filter types to choose from, and we can select the one we like in the filter type property of the node. We are going to set the type to none. Its functionality is to negate the result of its child node. Another function of this editor is the possibility to copy and paste nodes and branches of the tree. In this case, we are copying and pasting a subtree under the main selector. You can see how all the nodes of the branch have been copied. Now we are going to delete these nodes to add new stuff. Note that all the operations we did on the left tree view panel can also be performed in the graphical view in the center. This branch is going to take care of attacking the strongest enemy planet, while the old one will be used to attack neutral planets. we are going to add new nodes as children of the new sequence. The first action will be used to attack the strongest enemy planet, sending into battle a percentage of our closest planet's fleet to the destination. The operation name is Attack Strongest Planet, and we can define the percentage parameter by adding a new line to the node properties, just by typing its name and value in the table. This parameter will be read in the leaf node class when the tree is initialized. Now we are going to add a new leaf node to check that the strongest enemy planet is closer than a certain distance. Again, we specify this distance as a parameter of the node. However, we should execute this condition before the action. We can use the options Move Node Before and Move Node After in the Node contextual menu to move the selected node among the siblings. These options can be used with single nodes or with whole branches. Here, we are going to move our branch to the first position to give this behavior a higher priority. Finally, to save our behavior tree, we just need to click on the Save button and give it a name. This concludes the tutorial.